Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sherelle here, and hi. I literally feel like I took like a summer vacation from YouTube. Not intentionally, to be honest. I just haven't really been inspired. I don't know, life happens, so, but I'm back. And today I want to pretty much share with you guys some of the masks that I've been using over the summer, and some that I kind of just started using and I actually, I like. I'm just sharing with you guys some masks that, well, sheet mask, because there's some clay masks that I like too, but that's gonna be another video. If you want to see the sheet mask that I've been using lately, just keep watching this video. Okay, so the first sheet mask I'm gonna talk about is a K-Beauty brand. This particular mask, I used it for the first time maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So this mask is the OK Bubble Sheet Mask. And this mask here, let me just get you the retail price. Let me see what it says. I'll read off the website what they have. So it says the unique formula in the OK Bubble Mask reacts with the oxygen in the air to form tiny bubbles when you place the mask on your face. The bubble sheet mask reaction works to gently exfoliate skin, helping to create a smooth and radiant complexion. So literally when you put this on and you let it sit there, it starts to like foam up and bubble. And the thing that I noticed about it is that you can feel like under the mask it like tingling. Not really tingling, but you can feel like the bubbles just kind of like popping and like it's exfoliating your skin. And the thing that I like about these masks the most is that you don't have to use a harsh scrub all the time to exfoliate. If you have sensitive skin, a lot of the scrubs out there, I mean, there's scrubs on the market for sensitive skin, but a lot of the scrubs, especially like the ones that have like the big crystals and stuff, it could be a little irritating. Masks like this I absolutely love, just because you don't have to do anything. Like, just place it there and let it work by itself. The next mask that I have is by the same brand. It is their avocado sheet mask, and I've used this mask several times. This was actually the first one I tried out from the brand. The bubble mask was the second one I've tried out so far, but this one here, I absolutely fell in love with this one. It's so hydrating. And even though I have oily skin, you still have to hydrate your skin. The oil doesn't do it for you. It's very milky, and I think that's the thing that I gravitated towards more. It says, harnessing the power of our favorite superfood, this avocado sheet mask is deeply nourishing, formulated to deliver intense hydration to dry and dull skin, to leave your skin feeling soft and supple. So, like I said, I don't technically have dry skin, I have oily skin, but I do like to keep my face hydrated. This has been that mask for me. The next mask I have is from a UK based brand. Y'all might already know where I'm going with this, or maybe not if you're not familiar. Number 7. They actually have a new line of face mask. This one in particular is the Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Serum Boost Sheet Mask. So the thing about this mask that is quite special is number 7 is quite, famous and known for their facial serums. And this mask is said to contain a week's worth of serum. How is that even possible? I don't know. But I tried this out for the first time last night. The unique thing about this mask is it's not just one that just sits on your face. So unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to film like the whole process last night. It wasn't really a process, but just the placement of it. But on the back, and I actually used this one, so that's why it's like open, but it shows you basically what the mask looked like and how to put it on. So basically, it has these little tabs for your ears, and it has a slit in it so you can slide it over your ear. And then it also has an extra tab for your under chin area. So, and then it has like a little slit here too, and then you just slide that over your ear as well, and it just wraps your whole face. And like usually with masks, you know, they tend to move or they shift and you can't really talk, or it's like discombobulated on your face. But this one is going to stay put because it's tucked behind your ear. One thing, and I'm not sure if they have it on their website. Let me just take a look here. Well, actually, they don't even have this mask on their website, but they do sell it at Ulta and maybe your local drugstore. It does retail for $5.99. Yeah, so they don't even have this on their website. You can get it at Ulta. But one thing I do notice, and I don't know, maybe I haven't looked for it, they don't have one particular mask. And if you guys are familiar with number 7, you know that they recently launched, well, not recently, it's been out for a little while, their early defense line, and that line is more dedicated. I don't want to put an age on it, but I feel like it's more dedicated to basically the person that's in their 20s, early 30s, or the person that's not quite, you know, in that stage of aging, or like early aging, but like right before. I would like them to have a mask for that particular line, because honestly, even though I used this one and I liked it, I may not necessarily need this right now. Maybe there's reasons why they don't. I have no idea. But if so, like, you know, anybody listening out there, we want a mask too. Hey, early defense. The next 2 masks are from the same brand, also based out in the UK. It is the Soap and Glory Bright and Beautiful Party Recovery Radiance Boosting Mask. It says, party too hard, dull, stressed out skin, muster your luster with Soap and Glory's bright and beautiful Party Recovery Radiance Boosting Mask. A mask that's crammed with gorgeous ingredients to refresh and revive your complexion. All the drama, okay? This mask, this isn't the first mask that I use from Soap and Glory, and I'll be quite honest with you, before I started using these masks from Soap and Glory, I kind of looked at it like, it looked like a plaything, but it's really not. This mask is so good. It has white flower, lotus flower, cherry blossom. I don't know what this is. Rooibos tea extract. I'm gonna find out what that is. I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the screen. I don't know what that is, but the main ingredient in here that really attracted me to this was the vitamin C. What I've learned in the last year, especially that I'm so much more into skincare than I was before, vitamin C is everybody's best friend. You need something in your skincare regimen that has vitamin C in it. Whether it is concentrated vitamin C or something like this that has vitamin C in it, you have to have it. Okay, and the last mask that I have from Soap and Glory as well. Now this one is the holy grail. When I say holy grail, this one I can't, now in my life right now, I can't do without it. This one is the Fab Pore Skin Smoothing Pore Refining Mask. This mask right here is everything. This is heaven sent. It has white willow bark, lemon balm, tea tree, very, very significant ingredient in here, lavender, eucalyptus, and mint. I like to use this, let me see, when I do like hot steam packs. I may be doing the most, but sometimes I like to go in the shower while I have that mask on and let it open up my pores and get really hot. And then when I get out, what I'll do is I'll wash it off with cold water, and then I'll apply this on top of it. The best mask ever. And these, both of these masks actually are $4. And I think I forgot to mention as well, the avocado, this mask, $2.50. And I think this one is $2.50 as well. But I can't rave enough about this particular mask. I've been stuck to it. I have to do it at least twice a week. I can't say enough, guys. I can't say enough. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you guys have tried any of these masks that I've been using. Let me know how it's been working for you, or if you haven't tried it, which ones you are probably more interested in trying out. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's support each other, actually. Hit the like button. Also, hit the bell button for notifications when I upload. Don't forget to do that. That's very, very important as well. And yeah, I'm off this.